Breaking out of nested while true loop. I am running a while true column loop in a web scraping script. I want the scraper to run in an incremental loop until running into a certain error. The general question is about how to break out of a while true loop when a certain condition is matched. The code as is just keeps on outputting the first run forever. This is a minimal reproducible example of my code. The desired output is
You don't need try and except here. Keep things simple and just use a simple while condition on your go variable. In that case, you don't even need a break because as soon as go equals 3, the condition will be false, you will come out of the while loop and restart the while loop for the next value of r. Output. Alternative to while, as suggested by Chepner, you don't even need while and are better off with a for loop over go as.
Yeah,